Hey, welcome back. I am excited to bring you this month's workshop. It's called Creating a Branding Reputation That Sells. Something that I've noticed in the industry is that our brand reputation tends to get neglected, but I always see everyone care a lot about their personal reputation, forming things with that when it comes to like dressing appropriately and even the way we talk or behave on interviews, meeting the parents. We really care a lot about our personal reputations, but when it comes to our brand, we just often skip those very important details when it comes to the business. And so we forget that your brand's reputation is shaped in the eyes of your ideal client by three different things. It's your interaction with them and people who are like them. It's how you brand and both your branding pieces and your website. And it's your social media presence that they really are judging your business's brand reputation upon. And so in this high energy interactive workshop, I want to help you carefully craft a brand reputation that will attract your dream clients and help you stand out in a good way in your industry. By the end of this 2-hour workshop, you will be mapping out your lead management and client management processes. This is part of the interaction piece. We'll complete a brand audit so we can see where there is room for improvement. That takes care of branding. And we will do an Instagram highlight makeover, which tackles some of your social media branding. If you are one of the first 5 people to register, you will get a custom website design audit from me. And I am just excited to help you to really build your brand's reputation so it'll be easy for you to attract those high ticket clients that you so desire. I look forward to seeing you in there.